Now, before we brainstorm over the products that we're going to create, let's look at the types of products that do well on the Warrior Plus network. Products that have rights attached to them do quite well. So, for example, products that have resale rights or private label rights. And if you're not familiar with what that means, basically, with resale rights, if you buy something with resale rights, you're allowed to resell that product. And if you buy a product with private label rights, not only are you allowed to resell that product, but you're also allowed to edit that product and change the title and also claim authorship to that product. So you could put your name as the owner or the creator of that product. Okay, software products do very well on this platform. Actually, software products do well on almost any platform, whether it be JVZoo, Clickbank, etc. Make money online products do very well as well. So anything that teach how to make money online, internet marketing strategies, passive income strategies. And I see a lot of products that teach how to make, say, $100 per day that do quite well. So just having that angle of making $100, $200, or even $50 per day, if you use that as an angle, I've noticed that those types of products do quite well on Warrior Plus network. Also, products for local marketers do quite well, such as done-for-you systems, templates, and any tools that will help local and offline marketers. Now, here's a quick brainstorm that I did. You could copy this and you could also expand on it. Okay, so here are some of the products that we can create for our product launches. We could sell software, and this most likely you're going to have to outsource. But you could also buy software that has some type of rights or private label rights and just hire someone to make changes to it. Just change the code a little bit instead of starting from scratch. You could sell an ebook, graphics, video tutorials, reports, articles, royalty-free images. And a lot of these things, such as the ebooks, graphics, and video tutorials, can be outsourced on sites such as Fiverr.com.